Flamenco track. Start with flamenco pose. Go up. And circular hands. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Go up. Circular hands. We will use these hands. 4, 3, 2, open. Stay there. Double tap to diagonal. And march in place. One more time. Tap. Very good. One more time. Double tap. More cha-cha. One more time. Good. Very easy. More cha-cha. March, march, cha-cha-cha. Once again, and be ready to come forward. Double tap. Come forward with the march. Cha-cha on place and come back with the march. Again. Double tap. Come forward. Cha-cha-cha. Now, from beginning, go up. Circular hands. Come forward with hands side to side, like touching the water. Go up. Circular. Woo! Come on. Move. Cha-cha-cha. Side to side the arms. Go up. Very good. Come on. Last time. Go up. Come forward. March. March. Cha-cha-cha. Okay, 4 lunges. Go. 4, 3, 2, march. Very good. Repeat. Very easy. Right and left. Very easy. Now, you have to add the arms. Are you ready? Go. Face, face. Shake it. March. Very good. Repeat. One more time. Lunge with arms. Okay, are you ready from the top? Remember the flamenco pose and double tap. Go up. Double tap. Come forward. Second part, lunges with hands. Shake it. Very good. One more time from the top, flamenco pose. Very easy. Come on. 4 lunges. Shake it. Good. Second part again. Repeat. From the lunges. Watch. Now, 4 taps with circular hands and pose. One more time. Lunge. Shake it. 4 taps. Pose. Once again the lunges. Now move the circular hips to the front. Very easy. Watch. And now single, single, double. Lunge. Shake it. Move your hips. Single, double. From the top. Pose. Double tap. Come forward. Cha-cha-cha. Backward. Lunges. Shake it. 4 taps with hips. Single double. From the top. Go up. Very good. You got it. Enjoy the music. Second part. Lunge. 4 taps. Move your hip. Single double. Last time for everybody. Yes. Come on. Lunge. Are you ready to move your hip? Come on. Single double. Final pose.